Bill Gates doesn't drive a Lamborghini. Warren Buffett doesn't drive a Lamborghini. They have a private jet, and that is used to make more money. Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Control Podcast. You're listening to Cons and Show, episode number 222, 222, triple twos, and today we'll discuss greatest lesson that I have learnt about money. Yep, our favorite topic. About money from the man Grant Cardone. So he is an awesome person. He's a great salesman, and he doesn't need an introduction. If you guys have no idea who he is, try to Google about him. So the greatest lesson I have learnt about him. Let's get started. Let's discuss. Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Control Podcast. You're listening to Constant Show. Never listen to any advice, guys. That's the advice that I want. These are nothing but you practice, you'll become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. A fun fact. 85 people, the top 85 people in this entire world, the top 85 richest people in this entire world owns the wealth and the money of the poorest 3.5 billion, not million, 3.5 billion people's wealth. 3.5 billion people wealth is equal to top 85 people wealth. What's the gap? What does this gap have to say? How did this gap create? Grant Cardone has a great explanation for this. He says that money is not meant to be saved. Money is not at all meant to be saved. The only reason why money is created is to spend. Why would you save money? That is what even Robert T. Kiyosaki says. Why would you save money when the government is itself printing money? It sounds really dumb that you just save hell lot of money. That is what the expert says. It is money is just meant to spend. Money is just to create more money. That is what people are making. That is how rich treat money as. The biggest difference between many politicians who save money and people who have lots of black money and the businessman is they just try to save money. They feel like money is a paradise. You just have to save it. But once something just hits and you don't have any accounts for that money, the money just disappears. But the millionaire or the billionaire people, they don't even pay enough taxes, but still they are the top billionaires or the top millionaires in the entire world. How is that really possible? Because they understand how money really works. That is the thing. And there are people who just buy some assets like gold, cryptocurrency, and that sits in your bank and that sits out there, and you have no idea how to spend that, and you don't make enough asset because of it. There are people who just spend hell lot of money to make more money. Money is just a slave for rich. They are not slaves for money. Money is a slave for the rich. They spend money and they make more money out of spending money in real estate, in stocks, by creating a company, by creating lots of assets. That is the difference. By you buy asset or you buy liabilities. How does that really work? What do you spend your money for? That matters a lot in your life. If you just go out there, buy a new iPhone, if you just go out there, buy something that costs you more money, and buy something that sits in your wardrobe and that doesn't make enough money, that means you're just wasting money. But the rich, they don't really spend. You know, there's people with poor mindset. If you just give them money, they'll just go buy a Lamborghini just to show off. They would do that. But rich people, if you give money, they'll buy a private jet. Sounds really dumb to you because you are not financially educated. They just buy a private jet, and what would that give them is they could travel anywhere in this entire world within 3 hours or within 4 hours. But what would a Lamborghini would do to you? Just a show off. That's it. And Bill Gates doesn't drive a Lamborghini. Warren Buffett doesn't drive a Lamborghini. They have a private jet, and that is used to make more money. If they just have a real estate a deal that is going in Miami, and if they are in Australia, they would just fly within 3 hours, get that deal with cheap price before some other deals comes out before some other competitors gets that deals. So that is how people are leveraging money. Money is just meant to spend. It's not meant to save. That is what Grant Cardone says. It's not my words, it is Grant Cardone's words. And they lose hell lot of money. The poor lose hell lot of money by buying more and more liabilities. You have no idea what's an asset, what's a liability. And I will pop up over there. Make sure you just watch that particular video, and you'll get to know what's an asset, what's a liability, all that. The shout out in this episode is for Digi Shalini. So she has an awesome digital marketing page in Instagram. If you are really interested, make sure you just check it out. The contents are amazing, and you'll get hell lot of value out of that particular page. And if you could comment in this video, share your opinion regarding this video, and share your thoughts. That would mean a lot to me. And hit that red button if you are really interested to get daily motivation dose. Hit that bell icon next to that subscribe button. Make sure you do that. And I'm so happy if you have done that. You could be the next one who will be featuring in my podcast for sure. And until then, it's me signing off from Contour Podcast. Meet you guys at the top. Thank you. Bye bye.